and he did in fact roll all around in my clothes. Brought out the tripod today. Hopefully this is focused. Good morning, friends. It's January 30th. First day of this glow up before I go visit my boo for Valentine's Day. I was laying in bed last night, randomly got this urge to just film a glow up video, because if there's one thing that drives motivation for me to get my life together, that's a vacation where there's a beach, the first day of school, work, anything like that. And then seeing my boyfriend, because I love him so much and we do long distance. I cannot be slacking every single time that I see him. It cannot go downhill. So today I'm chopping off my hair. As you can tell, these puppies are really, really long. I'm thinking of maybe doing like this much. Is that a lot? I also do face framing starting at my chin, and clearly these have kind of grown out a little past, so I want to trim these again. And then long layers in the back. It just creates so much movement from behind. Let's hop in the car. I have class right after, so I'm just gonna go straight to class, probably pick up a coffee somewhere. But we're gonna go see my girl Julia. She always kills it, and I haven't seen her in so long. Let's chop the hair. I just got to Maven Loft Hair Salon. That's where Julia works. I didn't make my coffee this morning, so I'm a little sleepy. Good morning! Fortunately, I only have one class today. It's organizational behavior. I actually love going to that class because my teacher, she's so petite, she has this adorable bob, and my friend McKenna is in the class as well. On today's episode of How Much Do We Think Caro's Gas is Gonna Cost? I'm gonna guess $45.61. Let's see how close I am. No way. $47.16. Question of the day, because I'm so curious. If you could choose one gas station food to get, let's do food and drink, making it into a combo. What would be the food that you'd get and what would be the drink? If I had to choose one, food-wise, it would probably be hot Cheetos. It's an occasional snack that I like to treat myself with. And then for the drink, a Dr. Pepper. I love a good Dr. Pepper. Maybe even like a Topo Chico. Apparently this is only a drive-through coffee shop. I'm feeling matcha today. We're gonna put on some hand cream right now. This is the L'Occitane Shea Butter hand cream. I love this hand cream so much that I have one in my car, one on my nightstand, one in my bathroom, and then one on my coffee table. Even better, just wait for it. Y'all, I have a baby version. Pretty much on its last life. I use this every single day in class. This is in my pencil bag. Can I do a iced matcha with almond milk? And then can I just add cinnamon on top? Yay! Oh, wait. Guys, I'm so dumb. I pulled away. I didn't realize that this was like you stay there. You order there and you stay there, and the other side of the drive-thru is a whole nother line. So I pulled away and the lady brought my drink out, but we got it. Matcha secured. Ready? Taste test, here we go. Yeah, that's really good. Whoa! Okay, I feel so ready for the day. Kaylee, if you're watching this, I love you so much and I cherish our friendship. She totally did not have to do this. She probably heard while she was at the front door me talking to myself and running through the workout out loud. I'll have to text her and see if she heard me because I don't want her to think that I was just yapping to myself. If you love arts and crafts like me, this is one of the best things ever. Basically, there's a whole bunch of numbers. You barely even have to use your brain because all the numbers coordinate with the colored paints that are in here. And so it reveals this beautiful painting. Now let's see what's in here. This is so sweet. I have the best friends. Oh my gosh. You occupy my heart. This is adorable. I'm gonna keep this forever. This is so sweet. Raspberry herbal tea. I'm a huge tea girl. Can't say that I've ever had raspberry tea before, so I'm really excited about that. This sounds like a mug. I kid you not, I saw this at Target the other day and was so close to buying this. Oh, this is adorable. Look at the braided knot. And then last but not least, she is the queen of gifting. Oh my goodness, I feel so spoiled right now. This is the best Galentine's gift ever. Hi friends. Tonight I'm hosting Bachelor Girls Night at my house. We've got wine, cake, cookies, and pizza on the menu. So this morning, before I went to class, I baked this beautiful homemade birthday cake. I have another one that I'm gonna add on top. I'm gonna put my homemade buttercream icing as a little layer, and then I'll decorate the outside. I hope I'm not getting a little sick, but my voice low-key kind of sounds like a chain smoker right now, and I don't know where that came from, but I love baking. It's like free therapy for me. Obviously to buy the ingredients, that's not free, but this is one of my favorite things to do.
Feel the warmth of the summer. I get lost in the colors, golden hours in your eyes. There's a world to discover. All of me is full of wonder in your light and light. Can we?
One of my favorite ways to glow up is getting my nails done, so I went to go visit my girl Laura. Yes, these are my natural, real nails. Every time that I do dip, I swear it makes it stronger. I know some people say that they don't like dip, but in my personal opinion, I've been doing it for 6 years and I just love the way that it makes my nails look, but also feel. Today I went with French tip, and then I let Laura kind of go creative with some hearts and just any Valentine's Day theme that she felt. They look so good. I just got out of the nail salon and Laura absolutely killed it. I knew prior to my appointment that I wanted French tip because I'm pretty sure my boyfriend said that he likes either like all white nails or just the classy look of French. Today I decided to do square and I have zero regrets. I think it was the move. I'm headed back towards my house right now, but first I wanted to stop and grab a coffee at Urban Fox. I have so much studying to do. I've got a supply chain management exam in 2 days. If I don't get studying, it's just not gonna happen. I had a finance exam yesterday. I don't think I said that, but honestly, it went a little bit better than I expected. There were 2 parts. There was like a qualitative, which had a bunch of word problem, multiple choice questions. And then there was a quantitative test, and that one I thought was easier. Okay, can you guys see Urban Fox? I haven't been here in a minute, so I don't really know what I'm gonna get. I'm kind of feeling latte. Who knows? But what I do know is I'm obsessed with this sweatsuit set. This is from Poppy. They sent the cutest PR package, matching sweats to go with it. And there's like these fun little graphic details. I'm gonna keep staring at these nails forever. Let's grab a coffee and then we'll go home and be productive. 4 days until Valentine's Day, and also when I go see my boyfriend in Colorado. I just got home from going to a tennis match with one of my friends, and then we also got Tin Roof Tacos, which is like the best tacos here in Boise. But prior to that, I went to Target and I got a couple of things that I want to show y'all. I created like a whole Pinterest board for my ski trip, and a lot of the things on there kind of reflect off of what I'm about to show you guys. I have ski gloves. They're like heavy duty. I think they're North Face brand, but I wanted just some fashionista gloves, and so I found these ones, and it has the ability to like tap your screen with the pointer finger. Then I wanted to wear some cute headbands, so I got 2 different types. This is from Conair. It's like a variety pack. There's black, speckled gray, white, light gray. I love wearing headbands kind of just like at the top of my head. And then I also wanted more of a knit one, so this one's definitely thicker. It's just one individual headband, but I love it. and I have so many cute ideas to style this. And then I went to the men's section. This is a little tip that I have for you guys. Anytime that you go to Target, don't go to the women's section, go to the men's section, because they have the best things, especially for like oversized jackets, best hoodies, best sweatshirts. And I saw this little zip up. It's a size small, but it fits me perfectly, like a woman's medium almost. And it's so cute. I can already just imagine wearing this with a turtleneck, maybe layering this headband, hair curl. Yeah, it feels amazing. It honestly kind of feels like my Columbia jacket that I spent $100 on. Good morning. I just hopped out of the shower and my vanity and my room looks a mess because I'm in the midst of packing right now. My flight leaves in 6 hours, so I have a little bit of time. There's a lot that I honestly need to get done. I need to finish packing, drive Matcha and drop him off at my godparents' house. What else? I have a couple gift baskets that I made, like wellness, Galentine's, and midterm care relief packages for my friends. So I think I want to drop those off as well. But, oh, and I have an interview, which is at noon in 2 hours. So really busy morning today. I probably should have packed last night. One of my friends hosted like a Galentine's thing at her house. I'll put a screenshot of the theme that we did, but it was so freaking funny. All of our jaws were on the floor the whole entire night. We were just reading through all of the most unhinged messages that people willingly send. I need to do my makeup so that I can put my makeup away. But all I really want to do today is a little bit of concealer, mascara, and probably filling in my brows. Nothing crazy. On travel days, I don't feel like wearing a full face. This is from Lonely Ghost. This is actually a part of their Text Me When You Land collection. So the hoodie says Text Me When You Land. Lonely Ghost logo on the bum. It is so cozy and comfortable. I'm also wearing a tank top from Garage underneath, just in case I get super hot. Matcha got a bath this morning, so he looks a mess. And he did in fact roll all around in my clothes. So hopefully they're not too wet. Hold on, I want to make sure that this is focused. Can you guys see me? I have 2 bags that I'm going to be bringing today. First one, this is my carry-on. Can we give a round of applause for how beautiful this bag from Poppy is? They sent this as a part of their PR package, and the second I saw it, I was like, oh, I'm 100% taking that to Breckenridge. So she's coming with me. Other one is my suitcase, my green Away. This is the best suitcase ever. It's the perfect size. I am going to go ahead and check it just because I have liquids. First off, I actually wore this to school the other day. This is also part of that Target haul. I'm obsessed with this little zip up. Then I'm bringing this Lululemon long sleeve shirt. I think that this is the Swiftly Tech one, but these are my favorite, especially whenever I do any sort of winter activity. It's just like a nice layer to have underneath. I have my snow pants. These are from North Face. My boyfriend is so sweet. He didn't want me to pay for all of the gear, so he asked a friend who's kind of about like my size, I'm pretty sure, if I could borrow her gear, and she was so kind enough to let me. So I don't know if I'll even need this because I think she said she has a bib of some sort, but I'm really grateful because renting boots, skis, and the helmet and stuff is so expensive. All right, then I'm gonna be bringing this sweater. This is one that I thrifted in McCall, Idaho. I thought because it's Valentine's Day weekend, this would be pretty festive. I'm such a PJ set girl, and if you've watched my videos, you've seen me wear this and then this top. I'm also still deciding whether or not I want to film this weekend. I might, we'll see. Then I have these jeans from the brand Paige. These are so beautiful and they're the perfect length too, and I love the wash on them. I'm gonna put you guys on this brand. It's called Nudes. Nuuds, and they have the best basics, long sleeves, tanks, t-shirts, you name it. So this is like a very form-fitting, thick material white shirt, and it honestly just compresses and flatters my body. Then I have obviously my underwear. My swimsuits I have in this bag. I'm gonna be bringing 2 swimsuits, a 1-piece and a 2-piece. This one is from Target, and then it comes with these little straps that I can add if I want. And then for my 2-piece, this is from Dippin' Daisies and Princess Polly. So the top is this white triangle, looks like this, and the bottoms are these beautiful Dippin' Daisy ones. Options, because you never know when you're gonna need them. For pants, I have these low-rise trousers. I actually wore these to my presentation in my organizational behavior class the other day, and I got compliments on them. They look fancy and business casual while also being so comfortable. We're probably gonna spend a lot of time at the cabin, and I feel like these pants just scream cozy, laid back, while also wintry. These are from Brandy. I really like them. The only thing is they're a little bit long on me. I figured I'd bring a pair of Lululemon leggings just in case I want to layer it underneath my snow pants. Then I have this, I think this is a turtleneck. Yeah, this is a turtleneck sweater from Lulu's. It's gray, and I thought that those jeans that I showed earlier from the brand Page would be perfect with this. And then if I'm feeling crazy, I have a scarf, one scarf that I'm gonna bring. I bought this Patagonia jacket a month ago when my boyfriend came to visit me. We knew that this trip was gonna happen, so he kind of prepared me and said that I should get an outer shell. Apparently this is an outer shell, so it's from Patagonia. It's pretty nice green color. And yeah, as of now, that's everything that I've set aside packing wise. I don't know what else I would be missing. I do need to get my snow goggles and my snow gloves. I just feel like I'm gonna forget something, you know? I found some accessories that I'm gonna bring. I love these bows from Target. And then I have this beanie. I'm pretty sure this is from Cotton On. And then I wanted to bring some earmuffs, obviously, because it's gonna be a winter wonderland. Well, I do have an interview at 12, but...
I'm about to leave for class in about 15 minutes, but...
Oh my gosh.
I know, I'm so awake. How's packing going?
I feel like I'm gonna forget something. Oh, you have it. Okay.
Yeah, no, I have all that stuff, but still bring your ski pants.
Okay, yeah, I did pack them just in case.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away.